and welcome to Shimla. So I'm hiking uphill for 10 minutes to reach Mall Road. I have come to Shimla in the winter for the very first time. So abhi it's January ka month. It's really cold. So before I start exploring Shimla, as a ritual, me being a chai lover, let's first stop and have a garma garam chai. So there is this bhaiya making chai बिना चीनी के. भैया फीकी बनाना. मेरा गला इतना ख़राब है कि उससे बोला नहीं जा रहा है. And it's been almost like 3 weeks I guess since I've been coughing. अच्छी है भैया, मुस्कुरा रहे हो. बहुत टाइम के बाद अच्छी चाय मिली है मुझे. लाइक इट्स जेन्युइनली गुड. पहाड़ों की लाइफ का भी अपना ही मज़ा है. मतलब मुझे पता नहीं पहाड़ों से इतना ज़्यादा प्यार क्यों. आई गेस इट्स लोगों की सिंप्लिसिटी, और शायद पहाड़ों में ज़िंदगी बहुत जल्दी शुरू होती है हर दिन. इस वजह से भी मुझे पहाड़ बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. एंड माउंटेन्स मेक मी फील रियली पीसफुल. कितनी हाइकिंग में जान निकल गई. सच अ गॉर्जियस व्यू हियर. Mall Road has a lot of shops for woolen clothes. So in case you guys are here in Shimla and not getting too many stuffs to wear, you can come here and shop. This is Scandal Point. This place is surrounded by restaurants, cafes, and it's one of the most visited tourist attractions in Shimla. There's a story behind it. So why it is called as Scandal Point is because the Maharaja of Patiala had fallen in love with a British princess, and they had eloped from this point, and that's why they have named it as Scandal Point, because the king was not allowed to enter this place. And later on he formed a palace, his summer capital I guess, in Chel. That's where the Chel fort is. So that's the story. प्यार ज़माने से चलता आ रहा है यार. So there's a lot of people here, a huge crowd, and this place is even more crowded during evening when people come here to watch the sunset. And there is this statue also of Lala Lajpat Rai. Statue was brought from Lahore, Pakistan, and then it was assembled here. Right opposite to the Scandal Point, there's a post office. So this is the post office of Shimla. Now there's a history attached to this post office, that this is the oldest post office in India, North India, and it was constructed in the year 1882. Today is 24th of January, and Republic Day is just after 2 days. So बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे. Corps, Army for Republic Day parade. दुनिया की सारी खुशी एक तरफ, इंडिया का फ्लैग ऐसे लहराते हुए देखना, इसकी खुशी इज बियॉन्ड कंपैरिजन. You can see a lot of horses here. And on this place, this Mall Road, this ridge area, you can even take horse ride for 80 rupees. This place is very close to this state library. उनके सामने ही है. In fact, you know what? Mall Road एक ऐसी जगह है शिमला में जहाँ पे आप एक बार पहुँच जाओ तो सारी ही टूरिस्टी चीज़ें यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. क्या नाम है इसका? रानी. रानी is pretty. Christ Church, one of the most famous landmarks in Shimla. So this is the second oldest church in North India, and the first one is the one in Meerut. It's called St. John's Church. This church was constructed by British in the year 1857. So if you're coming to Shimla and you come to Mall Road, make sure that you're spending some time sitting here next to the church, in front of the church, because it's really peaceful out here. This church has all stained glasses here. So these stained glasses actually represent faith, humanity, fortitude, charity, patience, and a lot of good things. Also, this is a very good point to click pictures. It's a very famous landmark in Shimla. So there are many people sitting around, and you really have to wait to get that one perfect shot. So on the Mall Road, you have this restaurant called Dim Sum. It's pretty famous for its Chinese food. It's a Chinese restaurant, and me being a Chinese food lover, this place was there on my list. So after having the dim sums at Dim Sum fast food cafe, I'm going to a place. It's called Auntie's Chinese Food. You don't easily get place here to sit, so this is the place, Auntie's Chinese Food, and me being a Chinese food lover, this was certainly on my list. Wait karna padega. So seems like I haven't been really lucky, because I do have to wait here for 10 minutes and then I will get my seat. आप शिमला से हो?
जी हाँ, हम शिमला से हैं।
शिमला से ही हो? मेरी दादी थी, अभी लास्ट ईयर गुजर गई वो, बिल्कुल आपकी तरह ही।
तो ये सोच रहा मैं भी दादी हूँ आपकी।
आप बिल्कुल नहीं, अब तो आंटी तो मेरी दादी हो गई ना।
आओ, चाय पानी पिलाते हैं, कॉफी पिलाते हैं आपको, जो मर्जी पियो आप।
बिल्कुल, थैंक यू आंटी।
बेटे आप मेरी पोती है।
बिल्कुल है।
फिर आपको चाय पानी सब पिलाते हैं आपको। ऐसी क्या बात है?
इधर ही रहते हो पास में?
हाँ, ये
place is always crowded. I had to wait like 10 to 15 minutes outside, and then when I came inside after placing the order, I had to wait for almost 10-15 minutes. And Auntie's Chinese food is all about Desi Chinese in budget. So if you're looking for budget food in Shimla, you may try this place. So I've ordered some fried rice and some chili chicken, and also some dim sums, because momo is love. Just finished my food at Auntie's Chinese Food. It was a good place, budget food, ठीक ठाक था. Now you can't come to Shimla and not have coffee at the famous Indian Coffee House. This cafe has been running since the year 1957, and recently our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji had visited this place. People say that this cafe has not changed even a bit in the last 4 decades. So a warm cup of filter coffee at Indian Coffee House is a must during your visit to Shimla. There's nothing in this world that a cup of coffee cannot fix. So now that it's evening time, sun has set, and this capital city of Himachal is looking beyond gorgeous. I have never witnessed such a gorgeous sunset in my life. बगल में एक मंदिर है जहाँ पे प्रेयर चल रहे हैं, and then I'm seeing this sunset. It's so mesmerizing, feeling so positive at this very moment. I guess I'm done for the day. So I'm heading back to my hostel. ठंड थोड़ी सी अब बढ़ गई है, and we'll start exploring Shimla again tomorrow morning. Hey guys, good morning. This morning I also changed my accommodation. So I was staying at a hostel all this while, but today I have shifted to a homestay. It's called Ama's Homestay. at the view from this place. So I like very quiet places, and you know शिमला की सारी चीज़ें तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है, but Shimla also happens to be the most polluted hill station. Pollution means it's overcrowded also. If you are looking for peace, which Shimla ka main road will not be able to provide you, then you can check into this place. It's like a couple of kilometers ahead of Shimla. It's in Dhali, but it's well connected to the Mall Road. You can take a bus from here and easily you can go to Mall Road and other parts of the city. And even the rooms are very much in budget. So it starts from 1,000 rupees and it goes up to 5,000 to 6,000 depending upon the season and also what room you choose. So if you want more view, then of course you'll have to pay more. The picture is showing कि ऐसे कुछ ड्रेस होती है. मैंने इनसे बोला कि मनाली में मैंने पहन रखी है.
मनाली का डिफरेंट है.
उसको क्या बोलते हैं मनाली वाले को?
मनाली का वो मैम आता तो पहाड़ी ड्रेस में है.
अच्छा.
और मैम हर एरिया का अलग रहता है ना ड्रेस पहनना.
अच्छा. In Shimla, this is kind of mandatory. One picture in Himachali dress. हर घर कुछ कहता है. So अभी I'm heading to लक्कड़ बाज़ार and लक्कड़ बाज़ार is famous for its handicraft items. मैं होटल से निकली थी तो it was very cold. I had too many layers on and now since I've started walking I feel hot. It's a nice piggy bank. It's written Shimla on this. क्योंकि मुझे अभी पूरे रास्ते में vlogging करनी है तो I do not want to carry an additional stuff because I have my jackets also. But it's for 150 rupees. Quite nice as a souvenir you can take from Shimla. कितने की है ये? 280. Bought this cap for me. Paid 250 bucks and these socks also I bought. These ones. So I'm planning to go to Nepal very soon for a trek. तो वहाँ पे काम आ जाएंगी ये चीज़ें. शिमला मिर्ची बचपन से खाते आ रहे हैं. कभी आपने ये सोचा कि इसको शिमला मिर्च क्यों बुलाते हैं? यू नो ब्रिटिश जो है शिमला मिर्च की प्लांटेशन दे हैड स्टार्टेड इन शिमला. सो दैट्स वाई कुछ ज़्यादा यूनिक चीज़ नहीं है इसलिए इस मिर्च का नाम ही शिमला मिर्च रख दिया. मेरे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग चीज़ थी ये क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं थी बात. मेकिंग सम लोकल चिकन. क्या नाम है? ऐसे ही चिकन करी. कढ़ाई चिकन. मुझे पता था कि कढ़ाई चिकन में शिमला मिर्च डलती है.
शिमला मिर्च यहाँ नहीं डलता.
नहीं डलता.
वो दिल्ली में डलती है.
हाँ वही.
सुक्की.
शिमला में कढ़ाई चिकन में शिमला मिर्च नहीं डलती है. वो कह रहे हैं कि दिल्ली में डलती है बट खुशबू इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी आ रही है ना. मेरा पेट फुल है बिल्कुल. अदरवाइज मैं लंच के लिए डेफिनेटली ये ट्राई करती हूँ. शिमला में पार्किंग की बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत है तो इफ़ यू आर कमिंग इन योर ओन व्हीकल देन नीचे दैट साइड देयर इज़ पब्लिक पार्किंग. जागू टेम्पल हनुमान जी की स्टैचू है वो. मेरी हालत नहीं है हाइक करने के लिए अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव गॉन. आई एम फीलिंग अ लिटिल सिक टुडे सो आई वोंट बी एबल टू डू द हाइक एंड देयर इज़ अ रोप वे ऑल्सो इन केस यू वांट टू टेक इट. आई थिंक दे चार्ज यू अराउंड 500 to 1000 रुपीज़. या तो आप हाइक करके जा सकते हो या तो रोप वे लेके जा सकते हो. मैं दोनों ही करने की हालत में नहीं हूँ अभी. आई विल जस्ट स्टे हियर. Talking about the famous food joints in Shimla, Bake and Bake Cafe. Looks like the place is really crowded. People come to Bake and Bake Cafe for freshly grounded coffee and also for hand tossed pizza. I got my slice. This is chicken and mushroom pizza. You know the best part about cities in the mountains? Here are so many alleys to walk. छोटी छोटी गलियाँ और इतना अच्छा लगता है ना यहाँ पे. Colorful houses. It's so amazing to walk. So if you're looking for सस्ता food, budget food, then लोअर बाज़ार. तो यहाँ पे आप आ सकते हो. सस्ती चाय, कॉफ़ी, राजमा चावल, चने चावल खाने के लिए. There's a public toilet also here. So as the name suggests, it's a लोअर बाज़ार. इतनी सारी सीढ़ियाँ हैं यहाँ नीचे जाने के लिए. यहाँ पे एक बंदर है. And it's really scary to hold the camera when you have monkeys around. So Mall Road is a little fancy and this lower bazaar looks more like a local bazaar जहाँ पे bargaining चलती है. This is so fascinating to walk inside a tunnel like this. लंबे रास्ते से मार्केट आओ, शॉपिंग करते करते जब थक जाओ, छोटा रास्ता लो और कट लो. Hey guys, good morning. So once again the gorgeous view from my hotel room's balcony. It's a homestay, Ama's homestay. So I was staying here since last 2 days. I had really amazing time in Shimla. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and remember I have 2 more vlogs coming from Shimla. So I'll request you guys to subscribe to my channel. वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और इसको शेयर भी कर देना, बिकॉज मेहनत लगती है ऐसी ठंडी जगहों पे वीडियो बनाने में. सुबह उठना इटसेल्फ इज़ अ बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. बाय द वे, जाते जाते ये स्नो क्लैड माउंटेन्स, सच अ ब्यूटीफुल कलर ऑफ द स्काई मैन. इनफैक्ट मैं अभी उठी और मुझे लेट भी हो रहा है अब निकलने में. तो आई विल सी यू गाइज इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड. अंटिल देन बाय बाय. और प्लीज़ हाँ सब्सक्राइब कर देना. मिलते हैं फिर जल्दी. टाटा.